Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC mode on your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. So let's get started with open the application, and right here we have ambient control, so firstly we should enable it. Put the headphones on your head and we enable it. Next we should go to the ANC of course and click at these three dots. And right here we have adaptive ANC or the custom one. So you can use adaptive or go to the custom one and choose the best one for you. So if you wanna increase this noise reduction, just move it to the right, and if you wanna lower it, just move it to the left. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!